we're at a point when oconnect is going to be released to the world commercially. What does that mean? That means Onpassive is going to start selling product to the worldwide market. And I can tell you, our market is bigger than you can even imagine. And when you think about oconnect or you think about oTracker, just two products, literally it would take care of everybody in Onpassive. So as we move forward in Onpassive, Mr. Mufareh is going to have some very, very simple things for us to do as he releases oconnect to the world. We're going to have to come in. Eventually, we're going to have to buy oconnect. We're going to have to go into the back office. We're going to have to click the button, become independent resellers. We're going to have to fill out a KYC. There are little things that we're going to have to do. They are not difficult. What's going to be happening to you in the future, in the very, very, very near future? I'm talking about in the next few weeks. And as Ash releases oconnect and then right behind it, oTracker, just those two products alone. And by the way, there's so much more coming behind that. It would just blow you away. But just those two products alone are going to put all of us, in my opinion, as Marty says, in a position that we've never been in before. And that includes it. And I don't care who you are. If you were the first person in, the last person in, I don't care who you are, where you are. As you come in, do the things you need to do. Just get ready, because your life is going to change. And that financial freedom, that financial liberty, I believe is going to come into each and everybody's life. And it's different for each of us. But whatever that number is for you, I believe that's going to happen, and I believe it's going to happen fairly quick. We're in a really good place, and it's now. This is your time. This is our time.